హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, ఈరోజు అయితే మేము ఇక్కడ క్రికెట్ స్టేడియంలో ఉన్నాము. బీకేవి ఫౌండేషన్ తరఫున కృష్ణవేణి గారు అండ్ మేము సహజ ఆరోగ్య యోగా తరఫున నేను అండ్ మేడం షికా, షీజ్ ట్రైనింగ్ గర్ల్స్ ఫర్ ద క్రికెట్. ఎక్సలెంట్ వ్యూ అండి, చాలా బాగా ఎంత బాగా ఆడుతున్నారు పిల్లలందరూ ఇక్కడ. మంచి విషయం ఏంటంటే విజువల్లీ ఇంపైర్డ్ బట్ దే ఆర్ ప్రూవింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఎక్కడ కూడా మేము దేంట్లో కూడా తక్కువ కాదు అని వాళ్ళు చూపిస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళకి ట్రైన్ చేస్తున్నారు శిఖా గారు. సో ఆమె మాటల్లో విందాము వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్, హౌ దే విల్ బి. దేర్ ఆర్ 3 types ఆఫ్ విజువల్లీ ఇంపైర్డ్ ఉంటుంది. సో దాంట్లో వాళ్ళు కొంతమంది పూర్తిగా చూడలేరు, కొంతమంది పార్షియల్గా చూడగలుగుతారు, కొంతమంది ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి, మీరు చెప్పగలుగుతారు. యూ కెన్ టెల్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్.
In blind cricket, we have 3 different categories. It is called B1, B2, and B3. So B1 is a completely blind who can't see even a single person also. And also we have a blindfold. If they're able to see little bit also, we have a blindfold also for that. And after once they'll wear the blindfold, blind glasses we use. After that they can't see even that single point or that blurriness also they can't see. And B2 is a person who can see 2 to 3 meters, and B3 category who can see the almost 3 to 4 meters. This is a team vision ratio. And in team we have a B1 4 player and B2 3 players and B3 is a 4 player. So 4-3-4 ratio we always follow. So in a blind cricket it is a completely different from the normal cricket actually. So here we use a hard plastic ball. It is inside there is a bell, so it makes a sound. So through that
It should be inspiring because as they are visually impaired, but they are entering all the fields. But how is your experience while teaching them how they are receiving? As in,
through that sound they'll understand where ball is coming, where the ball is going, and where to throw. This is all the communication. So it is between the one person to another person. It's like that. And we have other rules also, like as I said, it is a communication. The bowler will ask the keeper, is it my position is right? Or is it I'm standing in the right way? Is it I'm doing the right way? So then they'll ask for the batsman, are you ready? So then fielders, everyone will get to know that, okay, yeah. Now
alertness will
yes,
come.
it is alertness. Once the bowler is asking batsman ready, and where batsman say yes, then the bowler release the ball. While releasing the ball, bowler says that play. So it is completely like it is a package. So they'll understand, okay, now bowler is releasing a ball, now batman is going to hit the ball. So when they hit the ball, they'll observe the sound where ball is going. And then B2, B3 people will also guide them, okay, if it is going through the B1, someone can see little more, they'll guide them, okay, ball which way is going. Then they'll collect it and they'll throw it also. So it is very beautiful, and most of the people are not aware of the blind cricket. So they can do a lot of things, because as of now our Indian men's team, they won 5 World Cups. So it is against the Pakistan, and it was a very beautiful matches. It is like a very tough matches. You can't imagine also that very beautiful. And the girls team, we won 2 matches, international matches. One is IPSA World Games. It was one of the big platform for the girls. Recently we started our Indian women's team, and the second is against Nepal. That was also a very beautiful match, and both the teams have done very well. And at present, entire India we have 20 teams of women. 20 teams we are having, and we are training in different states. So our motto in this, empowering the women through the cricket, and we are also supporting for the education. It is not only the cricket we are doing, so we want to take them from the root level to the another level. They are learning lot of things. They are mingling with the people. They are learning like this. Here we are giving yoga. We are giving the self-defense training, awareness on the other social activities. We are giving what they can do after the education. If they'll finish, so many girls, what they'll do, they'll finish their education and +2 they'll finish it and they'll go back to home, they'll stay. So we observe these kind of people, and they will take them into the other level also. Once they come into, if they are really good, we'll take, if they're having different interest, it's not only the cricket, if they're having interest in other sports also, other education sector also, we are, yes. It is a CABI, Cricket Association for the Blind in India. We are supporting for cricket. The same time, Samarthanam Trust for the disabled. So we are working for the welfare of the society, adding the free training for them. So in different companies, we'll provide the placements also. And we have a center in Hyderabad. We have a center in Kodikonda, in Bangalore we have, Hyderabad we have. So we have almost 11 centers in different places, and upcoming some centers also we are planning. Disability is not what black spot.
Yes.
It is also gift. Because of the disability, lot of people got a jobs. Everyone is having a disability, and they are having equal rights to live life like others, and they are also born in the same country. They are also in the same world. So there is no. Please don't do any discrimination, and give opportunities. And I'm requesting from the society and the companies, please provide the job for an opportunity for them, because they are having the wonderful talents. If we are considering blind people, they are having a wonderful talent. We can't remember whatever they are. So it's a request from everyone. So please support blind cricket.
Sure. So it's very good and it is very good to hear from you. ఎందుకంటే బ్లైండ్ అరే వాడు బ్లైండ్ అట్లా అనుకుంటారు. అలా అనుకోకుండా ఆ డిస్క్రిమినేషన్ ఇవ్వకుండా వాళ్ళకున్న ఏదైతే డిజబిలిటీ ఉందో దాన్ని వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ వెపన్, బికాస్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. They're very conscious about, as just now you told, they'll remember very well. Their sharpness, their focus will be there. They remember the sounds also very well. So their disability, they're making it as a weapon and trying it very best. And as a society, we should also support them everywhere. And whoever is watching this video, wherever you find them, just encourage them. You have this disability, don't worry, you can do anything. Just give them these words, that's it. They will do anything, everything they can do.
Any blind girls interested can contact you like that?
Yes, if any girls are interested in any sports, it's not only the blind cricket.
Ah.
If any sports are, if they want to be in education, they want, because we are giving us training and skills and for the job thing. So after the 10th standard, if someone is at home, they can contact us. So they can contact Samarthanam Trust for the disabled. So you will get in website, you will get the contact details. So they can contact for anything. And the girls, definitely yes, because through the cricket, I am saying our Indian players who got a government jobs because of the cricket, and they have just finished their graduation, and they are going to earn in a very big numbers of salaries. So Odisha government has provided that the jobs for the women, and even the Karnataka one girl got a job. And our men's players, many players got a job in they are working. So through the cricket, they are achieved a lot. Personally, one of our player got a Padma Shri award. One of the player got Arjun award. Ajay Reddy, he's from Andhra. Shekhar Naik, who got a Padma Shri award. So there is a lot of opportunities out there. So please support. Please come for any queries. You can contact us.
Thank you so much for giving this information to us. I hope the yoga practice what we are going to give today, the yoga awareness, definitely will be helpful to them. Because every field, మీరు ఏ ఫీల్డ్ లో ఉన్నా యోగా వాళ్ళకి ఖచ్చితంగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. You may be a cricketer, you may be a dancer, any field, any sport, anywhere, everywhere, yoga will give you lot of confidence and support and brings you lot of transformation in the life. So thank you so much. Thank you.